now, O heavenly host, great news of joy I bring. On this night, upon the earth, the High Prince of Heaven has been born. He has come to dwell among the children of the Lord, for God has chosen him to be their Savior. The time has come, we've waited for this night for so